This is a video to learn how to reset your Windows 10 PC to factory settings. Click here, type here reset, and reset this PC. Click it, and this method will work in Windows 11 also. You will get this option, reset this PC. Click here, reset PC. You have the two options: keep my files, removes apps and settings but keep your personal files, and second option, remove everything, remove all of your personal files, apps and settings. Just select it. So this is the way you can try to reset your PC. Thanks for watching.